Hey everybody, this is it. Final box from CGC for the last shipment I sent out. This should be my ASM 31. So let's see what I got. Oop. Take the receipt out. And we got a 4.5. I knew this wasn't going to be the best. It definitely had some fading. Definitely cream to off-white, so not the best page quality either. But I wanted to get it slabbed, and I got it slabbed with the new Spider-Man slab art. So I can't say I'm super happy about this, but I can't say I'm not surprised either. So, you know, first appearance of Harry Osborn and Gwen Stacy, I think. Yep, Gwen Stacy, Harry Osborn, and Miles Warren. Kind of cool. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back with some more videos.